In this video, I'm going to show you how to import beats to Bandlab. So it's actually quite simple. First, go to bandlab.com and then sign in or log into the website. And then once you've done this, so you've logged in with your account, what you have to do is go top right where it says create, this red button. You want to click on it, and then you can start a new project by clicking over here where it says create an empty project. Now once you click this, it will start loading up, and then in a few seconds, you'll be able to see this thing, which is the new project. Now in here, if you want to simply import beats, you will of course have to have some beats on your computer saved somewhere from the past, and then to import them, as you can see, it says drag a loop or an audio, MIDI or video file. What you want to do is just click over here and then find your file. So I don't really have one right now, but when you find it, so just simply click on it and press open, and by doing that, you have successfully imported your beats to Bandlab. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.